everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Easy Engineering. In the past class we have discussed about the functions. We have discussed about this function prototype, definition and function call. See, we have written a program related to functions also, and there will be types in the function. Now let's discuss them. There will be a library function and user defined function. There will be two types of functions in C language. In library function, library function means which is inbuilt in the compiler. Means, you will be having this compiler, right? For every computer you will be having compiler, and in the compiler there will be some libraries exist, like something. I'll be explaining you about that. Some libraries will be existed in it. So that inbuilt functions are called as library functions, and there will be user defined functions also. User defined functions are which are defined by the user or the programmer, means which we define in a program. We have written this function print value. This function is a user defined function, okay? And this print this main function, in the very first class I have said that main is also a function, okay? This is called as library function, okay? That is a difference between this library function and user defined function. Library function can be used globally, means it can be used by any programmer, any user, okay, who are using that language, okay? But this print value can be only used by that user who created it, and in the program in which the function is created, it can be used in that program only, cannot be used in other program too, okay? That is a difference between library function and user defined function. And the function takes in value which is called parameter and gives out value which is called return value. Here I have said that, in this we are having function name, and we are having parameters also. These parameters are the values which the function takes in, okay? That is called as parameter, okay? And which gives out the value which is called return value. Means, it is void, so we do not have any return value, just we have this print value, okay? So this value which the function is returning is called as return value. Means the function is giving us output, okay, and which takes in are called as parameters, and which are came out as the output are called as return value, okay? That is about this. And I think you have already known about this library function and this user defined function. I have explained you about them in previous class when I am explaining about these functions, okay? Then after this we are having argument and parameter also. We are having argument and parameter also. Argument is called as actual parameter, means which is passed in function call. Here we have discussed about function call, means we are calling that function from any part of the program. So the values passed in the function call are called arguments. Means here we have to pass some values which are called arguments, and we have parameters also. Parameters are the formal parameters, means which are the values in function declaration and definition. Means while declaring and defining the function we are giving some parameters here. In my example there are no parameters, but now I will be explaining another example which will be having some parameters, okay? These are called as parameters, okay? And these are called as arguments. Means, here here what we give in function call are called as arguments, and which we give in function definition and declaration are called parameters. Okay, the difference between the both of them. Now I'll be explaining you with a code about arguments and parameters. Okay, see, yeah, let's write the common code first. This and void main. Let me zoom a bit. Yeah. Now see, let's no. Okay, this, let's remove it. First, let's define the add function, where we are going to give we are going to return the value of x plus y, the addition of two numbers. See, in this function we are going to have return x plus y. See, I have said you about return function, right? Here, see, which gives out the value which is called as return value. So here the return value is x plus y. Okay, we are going to write it like this. And now we are writing void main, which is a main function of a program, from where the execution starts. See here, void main int a comma b. Let's use different variables. See here, you are having already x and y in the function, but in this you should be having some another variables like a and b. Printf enter values a and b. Okay, yeah. Then scanf %d comma and %a comma and %b. You all know these lines. Okay, and now what we are doing means, now a and b will be having some values. The user gave some values to these, so now we have to find the sum of the both numbers. So printf the sum of two numbers is two numbers %d and %d is %d. Now I'll be saying you what to write here. %d, in this first %d we have to write a, means because we wanna print the sum of two numbers a and b is here a plus b. Okay, so first value should be a and second should be b, and the third should be sum of, see, no, not sum, right? Our function is add here, add. So add of, we should not write x comma y because we are having a and b here. Okay, so we have to write a and b, a comma b. So let's see if we are getting the output or not. Run it. No. Okay. Okay, we are having some error. That's because, see, we are not define the data type. Okay, so we should define data type for every variable. This is a mistake I have done here, so we are getting warning here. See, in function add, the type of x defaults to int, means we do not have any data type for it. So now let's run. Yeah, we are getting again something happened here. Let me see. Warning, return x plus y. Okay, in function main. Okay, let's add no, but okay, the mistake I have done here is writing here void. We should not write void here, because see, the function is returning some value here, right? The data type of the value means the data type of the value we are expecting should be written here, because it is a return type of the function, right? So we are expecting an int value, so we are writing int here. Now okay, everything is fine. Now let's try to run this program. Yeah, I have run it. Yeah, we are getting enter values a and b. We are entering some value of a and b. We are entering 3 and 4. Enter. The sum of two numbers 3 and 4 is 7. See, the output we are expecting is we obtained it. Okay, we got the output we are expecting. See, first we are expecting the execution starts from here. Okay, see, we can write here int also. We can write int also here, but we have to add return 0 here, or return 1. We can write anything here. Okay, but writing this is very simple, which means okay, now let's see again. Yeah, see, we are the execution starts from here, and int a comma b. First these values will be stored in the compiler. Okay, some memory will be allocated for the variable a and variable b. Now this will be printed, enter values a and b. See, we have printed here. See, now after entering, see, 2 and 7, enter. Yeah, within no time we are getting this. Okay, what is this? Scanf. Those two values, these 2 and 7, are stored in the variables a and b, and then this will be printed. See, this line will be executed and this will be printed. See, the sum of two numbers %d means the value in a. The value in a is 2 here, as user given the value 2 here, and 7 here. The value 7 will be printed is. See, now this function is called here add of a comma b. See, in the place of x and y, a and b are replaced, and the values of a and b are 2 and 7. Return 2 plus 7 means it will be returning 9, right? So that 9 will be printed here. Okay, yeah, as we got 9 here. Yeah, that's it. See, these are called arguments. Okay, which user gives are called arguments. This the function will be containing some variables which are called parameters. That is the difference between arguments and parameters. Arguments can be used used on the basis of user, but these parameters will be constant throughout the program. Okay, yeah, that's all for this. I think you have got an idea about this. Now, argument and parameter, I think you got idea, and you got the main difference between them. Next, we are having recursion here. Pointers will be discussed in next class, because it is a longer topic, will be taking some more time. So recursion means calling a function by itself. Means a function calls itself is called recursion. Okay, means in a program a function will be called. See here, you are having print value, and if we write after this, see, if we write here again printf, no, not printf, print value means, see, means this function is calling itself. Okay, that is called as recursion. See here, you will be having that only. Calling a function by itself means a function calls itself in a program is called a recursion. I'll be giving you an example program for it. Yes, let me go into this online compiler. Yeah, this will be same, and now I wanna write a program on. See, if we give an integer 5, the output should be like the addition of numbers from 1 to 5, means 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. That should be the output I wanna get. Okay, sum of n. Okay, sum of n. See, the parameter should be int n, means I am giving that n as the value. So if this n is greater than 0, see, we want from 1 to that n, right? So if that n is greater than 0, then you have to return n plus, see, now we are calling this function inside it only. How to call means sum, okay, sum of n, we are getting it. See, sum of n minus 1. Yeah, now this is what we call as recursion. Means, see, inside this function we are calling this function only. Means, see, the flow will be going like this, and here this will be again going here, the flow will be going to here. Okay, that is the main okay. Else, if that n is not greater than 0, what we should do? Else return 0. Okay, means, see, if that n is not greater than 0, see here, the order, see, if you are giving an n value, if you are giving n value as 2, to explain easily, I am giving this, I am taking n value as 2. See, n value is 2 value is greater than 0, right? Then return 2 plus here again, this is called sum of n minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 2, right? Now 1 is in the value, 1 is in the n value. Okay, 1 is the n value and 1 is greater than 0, then it will be again entering here and returning 1 plus, see, now n value is 1 and minus 1 means which will give you 0. Now this 0 will be again entering here. If n greater than 0, no, it is not greater than 0, so else part, it will be returning 0. Means, see here, when n is 2, we have got 2 plus, in sum of n we have got 1 and plus we have got 0, return 0, that is not counted. So 2 plus 1 is 3, the output will be 3. So let's write the whole program. Now we have to write void main, right? Void main and int, no, we should not take that n value, right? See, we should take another m. Let's take m. Printf m equals to, okay, scanf. Scanf, we have to take %ld comma and percent m. Yeah, now we want the sum of 1 to %LD numbers is, yeah, now we have to, in %LD is, we have to write again %LD because we want the value, right? Value of the sum. So here we have to print m, and here we have to print sum of n of m. Yeah, let's see. Now let's see what we'll be getting if we run this. M equals to, let's give a smaller number. Yeah, sum of 1 to 2 numbers is 3. Okay, let's run again, and let's give 5. Sum of 1 to 5 numbers is 15. Let's try whether it is 15 or not. See, 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, which gives 1 plus 2 is 3 plus 3 plus 5 plus 4 is 9. Yeah, equals to 9 plus 6 is 15. Yeah, we have got the correct answer. We have got 16, right? 15, right? Yeah, we have got 15 as the answer. See, let's see for much more larger numbers like 20. What we'll be getting? Yeah, we have got 210 here. I don't know whether it is correct or not because I can't solve it right now, right? See, let me give you 100. Yeah, 100. It gave me 50. And let me give some bigger number like 10,000. Yeah, 5,000. Yes. Yeah, we are getting answer, but we don't know, right? Let me see in Google. Sum of 1 to 10,000 integers. Yeah, let me see. Yeah, 5,000. It is correct. Yeah, you have see here. This is a answer we are getting, right? 5,000. Okay, then yeah, I thought you got clarity on all of these topics which I explained today. So this is all for today, and let's discuss about pointers in next class. If you like my content, do like, share and subscribe to my channel Easy Engineering, and do watch my shorts too, and you will be prepared based on questions asked in interviews like that in my shorts. So thank you.